Oh, the first mile was a 17-minute mile. Oh, because my back's been hurting lately. Oh. Stopped to enjoy the creek that I'm running near. And even though I'm not out in the wilderness, it's not about the numbers. Someday it's not about how you feel. It's about the joy. I hope that whatever holiday season brings for you, you can get outside and feel the joy. I know I'm grateful, even with my back hurting, to be able to jog however slow it is. So as long as you're breathing, in the words of Bowerman, Bill Bowerman, you're an athlete. I hope to whatever degree you can get outside and move, you can feel the throbbing pulse of joy throughout creation. Hope to see you on the trail. Happy holidays.